Hi and welcome back to winemastery.co.uk. My name's John Lightfoot. This is
John Murphy.
And we're here to tell you about wine, hopefully help you find the wine, if not the wines that you will absolutely love. Whether it's a summer's evening, an autumn evening, spring or summer evening, the wine you want is out there ready for you to fall in love with.
Does that part of the video get longer every single time? I mean, it just feels like it does.
No, as I get more excited, it tends to get longer.
Oh.
So, if you watch the previous parts, I've obviously linked together this, and
keep going, John. Keep going.
We've tasted wine straight out of the bottle, straight into the glass, and tasted that. We've tasted it with a very special fancy-pantsy thing that my daughter bought me, which is an aerator. And now, actually, you can probably just see going off to John's right there, a decanter. We're just pouring that into the decanter from that, and it looks kind of special, doesn't it?
Yeah, definitely, definitely.
It looks nice. So, but has it made any difference to the taste?
Let's give it a go, John.
Let's give it a go.
Well, it's not going to have any different. Well, oh, did it? No.
I wouldn't have thought so, would it?
No, but we thought would.
No,
but I just in case.
Fair point.
It didn't. No, nothing.
Okay.
I mean, it still smells.
Yeah. Cherry.
I'm not finding much more on the nose there.
No.
It still smells delicious. Let's give it a go. Yeah. Okay, that for me has. There's not much difference from, in fact, if any difference, from the aerator to the decanter.
I agree.
Tannins have softened up again.
Yeah.
Just leaves more scope to kind of get the juicy fruit out of there, which at the moment still is cherries, and I'm struggling to get past the cherries. But that again, it's not a problem at all. So to be fair, it's definitely changed it from number one.
Yeah. But about the same as number two. There's not any discernible difference, really.
Not that I'm picking up there. Not at all.
Okay.
But the only difference would be the kind of the things how we've done. Like, number one was a little. Sorry, number two. I did like that because it looked a bit kind of
all the bubbles coming out. Yeah.
Yeah, and you could it did the job. It did the job spot on. But I do like the theatre of the decanter.
Yeah, I'm with you there.
It has a classy kind of if you can say classy, but it just looks nice presenting your wine like that and pouring, for guests or if you're having a dinner party, that would be the perfect thing.
I agree. I think if you're having a dinner party, a little more theatre, and those decanters, they pour very nicely, and it's all part of the theatre of the dining experience. Having said that, I think if I was on my own, or just maybe two of us, I would just use the aerator rather than go to the trouble of decanting. It does exactly the same job, because the other advantage then is it's sealed. So it's not like I've got it with a decanter, you then have to pour it back into the bottle if you don't finish it. A dinner party doesn't matter because it goes.
No, it definitely doesn't.
But maybe if you're on your own, you might want to leave the rest for the following day, and that will keep it well.
I've heard about such a thing, but no.
Well, you want on the second or third bottle.
All right, okay, now I hear you. No, you're talking my language. Yeah.
So then you could just leave it there, and it would be as good as decanting, and it wouldn't, because it would be sealed, it wouldn't decay over.
And I like the idea of that. I mean, it sounds like a little bit of an analogy with it almost, for me, looks a little soda stream.
Yeah.
But in a good way. It's an adult soda stream. Dispensing your wine perfectly. I didn't see it. If you're on your own or with a friend, I like the idea of that. But the dinner party, because there's not a difference in the kind of flavour or in the nose or anything. So they've both done the same job. It's just where they're fitted.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd go with that, John. Yeah, I like that.
Excellent. Well, that was a nice little thing. Maybe we'll do another one where, as we say, we actually allow the wine to be warmed and when we'll just do it.
Oh, I think that's definitely, because that's kind of we set out to see if that did work, and it did work.
It did work. Yeah. Great. Well, I really enjoyed that. It's a nice little experiment. Fantastic. Well, okay. Well, we'll see you in the next episode, which I think you'll find will be all about. We'll be continuing the Malbec track.
Sounds good.
We'll see you there.
Chin chin.
Chin chin.